adobo with garam masala. So guys, today is Sunday. Kakarating lang namin galing simbahan. Kasi yung mga bata, naiwan. Meron, kasi may after ng misa, meron silang catechism. May Sunday school. So, today meron silang exam. Hanggang alauna sila. Medyo busy ngayong araw na ito kasi aside from may exam sila sa Sunday school, bukas may exam din sila sa school nila. First day of exam. So, kailangan namin mag-review. Sa hapon, may may rosary. Galing, so maraming tao dito mamaya. I'll try to show you kung paano nila gawin. Kasi it's my first time to attend din. Tapos, mga bata, may tuition din sila mamaya. So, yun. Sa mga bago sa aming channel, I am here in India right now. Nandito ako sa India, Kerala, India. Kasama ko yung mga anak ko, yung asawa, and we're living with my in-laws. Yung asawa ko is wala dito, nasa Middle East. So, we are in long-distance relationship right now. So, if you're not yet subscribe to our channel, please click the subscribe button, like, share. Thank you. Malapit na mag-lunch, kaya magluluto ako ng uulamin namin. So, ito kalabasa, saka maglalagyan ko ng gata. So, ginataang kalabasa. Yan guys, binababad nila para sa almusal para bukas. Dito na yung dalawa guys, galing sa simbahan. Tapos na rin yung exam nila. Kakain na kami ng lunch. How's your exam, Johan?
Good, and I got 69 out of 70.
How about Yana?
Good, but it's a secret. Maybe you got 0 out of 1.
Maybe got 1 out of 1.
Hello guys, malapit nang mag-start yung rosary. Dito pa yung mga bata. Tatawag na yung tutor nila kapag ready na kasi ma-attend pa siya ng meeting. Parang politician din ata yung tutor nila. So, lalabas na kami para mag-prepare ng merienda pagkatapos ng dasal.
먹어라.
Okay.
വെറുതെ വലിയ മത്തങ്ങ പോലെ പോകുന്ന മൂന്നിയാണ് വെളുത്ത പോകുന്ന മൂന്നിയാണ്